seen you with curly hair.
Yeah, I braided it last night before going to bed, and I took it out, and it was curly, so I decided it looked cute like this, and I put it in a little style, and there we go.
Wow. Okay, I have a surprise to show you. Ready?
Okay. Oh, there's a bunny on your head!
It's my new pet.
Aww.
I never. As you see, her name is Summer.
Oh my gosh, her name's on your back!
Yes.
Is that where your hair's up in a bun?
Yes, so my hair wouldn't bother someone.
I can't even see the back of my shirt. I suppose it looks the same as the front of my shirt.
It's so good. I love summer.
Yeah, and it currently is summer, apparently.
Yeah.
So her name's perfect for this weather.
Yeah, it is.
So, what do you want to do?
Let's go to the farm and pick out some carrots for summer.
The what?
Let's go to the farm and get carrots for summer.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go. Woo. Some fresh carrots will make her happy.
There it is.
You can also ride some horses while I pick out the carrots.
Wash, can I help you?
Yeah, if you want. I know the carrots are over here by the horse pen.
Whatever happened to our horses from when we were running away from our mom a few years ago?
Mine died like years ago.
I don't know what happened to mine, because remember when we rode those horses a few days ago? Oh no, a few years ago.
Summer, I'm gonna have to put you down and don't run away again. The last time I put her down in my house, she ran all over. Picking out some carrots. We're gonna have to steal these, cause we're gonna have to.
Why? Secret?
No, because we don't own this farm, and we just came here randomly, so. Summer, where are you? Oh, there you are.
Okay, I'm done.
Let's go home.
Alright. Skateboard!
Uh-oh, the owner sees us.
Run! He's not even chasing, he's screaming!
Oh! He's grabbing his phone, he's calling 911!
Luckily they won't know where we are!
Yep. Whew, that was a close one. You wanna come inside?
Yeah, I'll come inside.
Summer does not like water. There we go. Summer doesn't like the water.
Why?
She's scared of it. I tried to give her a bath last night, and she literally kicked me in my face and ran.
Ow!
Yeah, it hurt. Really hurt. So, Summer, you can go play around the house, but when you're done, come back. And will you stop pooping? Got all in my ear.
Oh no!
Gonna brush it out with water. I wiped it off, now I'm just brushing out my gums.
I hear her screaming!
Summer, what?
She just fell in the water.
Summer? Summer? You say sorry. Say it now.
Sorry.
Okay. Do you want some carrots, Summer? Okay. stay on the counter then. Let's grab her the carrots. Grab some carrots. Oh, Summer, I forgot to introduce you to my friend, Marigold Cooper.
Hi.
Here are your carrots, Summer. Enjoy. Enjoy. You can borrow my straightener to straighten your hair.
Okay.
Oh, Summer, you're so adorable.
I'm back.
Hey, Marigold. Summer, calm down. It's just Marigold. Summer, this is the outfit that you will see her in most of the time, okay? Okay. Now go back to eating your carrots. Well, I want to take a selfie with Summer real quick.
Okay.